Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have returned. I've had a fever for the past few days, so I apologize if I'm a little low energy for this video, but as per usual I will have everything listed in the description box below, and then I will have a clip of this in natural lighting at the end of the video in case you want to see what it looks like in natural lighting. But without further ado, let's get into it. But we're going to be playing around with this Colourpop UR A QT palette. And the first color I'm going to go in with is this shade right here called Love Note, and I'm just going to work that into my crease. Alright, so I focused that lighter purple in my crease area, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to go into Hard Eyes, which is a darker purple, and just focus that in my crease and just keep it a little bit lower than that first shade I put down. So I just focused that darker purple where my natural crease is. So I want to go back in with that lighter purple and just focus it on the edge just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So now that I have those two shades up here, I'm going to take those two same colors and just bring them down to my lower lash line right here. So since this is kind of turning into a halo eye, I'm just going to kind of roll with it. So I'm going to go back into the darker purple, which is Hard Eyes, and I'm going to focus that darker purple and just put a little bit more right here and right here. So before I go into the shimmers in the palette, I'm going to just pop on some of this NYX glitter primer and just tap that on my lid with my finger. So going back into the palette, I'm going to use this shade Cutie Pie right here, which is this really pretty pink shimmer, and I'm just going to place that where I put the NYX glitter primer, which is right here on the lid. So now I'm going to go into this shade right here called Love Me, and I'm going to essentially use it as a highlight. I'm going to put some on my inner corner right here as well as my brow bone, and I think I'll even put a little bit right here in the middle of the lid just to kind of make it pop even more. Alright, so now that the shadow is pretty much done, I'm going to jump into lashes. So I am going to curl my lashes as well as put on some of this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. Alright, so I also took this e.l.f. Active eye pencil just in black, and I just put that on my upper waterline up there. So now I'm going to apply this eyeliner. This is from NYX and it's their eye pencil in purple, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line down here. And now I'm just going to go back in with that mascara I used earlier and just apply it to my lower lashes. So if you don't want to apply lashes, then you are all done and the look is complete. If you want to apply lashes, then obviously you can. I will be applying some, just some very natural ones. These are from Kiss and they're called Shy. Alright, so here is the final look right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me. But I will be inserting a clip of what this looks like in natural lighting, and I will see you all in my next video.